Hi friends, today we will learn about working of CP-Full 2.1 and Robotronics remote. First of all, we will talk about CP-Full 2.1. As you can see, there are 4 motor ports: motor port 1, motor port 2, motor port 3 and motor port 4. On the other side, you can see there are 3 sensor ports: sensor port 1, sensor port 2 and sensor port 3. There is one more port on this side, which is input port, used as input for Robotronics remote. You can see there are 2 ports on the right side of CP-Full 2.1. This is charging point used in charging of CP-Full 2.1. Another port is programming port. Programming or burning cable is inserted into this port whenever you program CP-Full 2.1 from RoboG 2.1. There is a switch on the top of CP-Full 2.1. When you keep the switch on auto mode, CP-Full 2.1 works according to the program fed in the brain using the software RoboG 2.1. When you keep the switch on IP mode, CP-Full 2.1 is ready to be operated by Robotronics remote. Here you can see a reset button which should be pressed only when you are burning or programming using the software RoboG 2.1. Else it should not be pressed. There is an LCD screen on the top of CP-Full 2.1. This LCD displays strings, variables and sensor values when you program it through RoboG 2.1. There is a buzzer which is below this LCD module. Also, there is a Bluetooth module. Bluetooth is used to control motor ports with the help of Avishkar Robotronics remote app. In short, you can run your robot via remote app. Now we will talk about Robotronics remote. As you can see, this is our Avishkar Robotronics remote. There are 2 joysticks and 2 push buttons on this remote. First joystick is used to control motor port 1 and motor port 2. Second joystick is used to control motor port 3 and motor port 4 of CP-Full 2.1. First push button is used to beep the buzzer which is present inside CP-Full 2.1. Second push button is used to control motor speed of all these ports. When this push button is pressed, the speed of motor will get slow. Let us see how this works. We have connected CP-Full 2.1 with 4 motors. This is motor port 1, motor port 2, motor port 3 and motor port 4. We have connected Avishkar Robotronics remote with the help of a LAN cable. Now we will see how this remote works. As explained earlier, first joystick is used to control motor port 1 and motor port 2. Let us see how. When you move joystick 1 up, motor 1 start moving in clockwise direction, and when you move joystick 1 down, motor 1 start moving in anti-clockwise direction. When you move this joystick in left direction, motor 2 start moving in clockwise direction, and taking this joystick in right direction moves motor 2 in anti-clockwise direction. Second joystick is used to control motor port 3 and motor port 4 simultaneously. When you move joystick 2 up, motor 3 moves in clockwise and motor 4 moves in anti-clockwise direction. When you move this joystick down, motor 3 moves in anti-clockwise direction and motor 4 moves in clockwise direction. Keeping joystick left, both motor 3 and motor 4 moves in clockwise direction. Keeping this joystick right, motor 3 and motor 4 both moves in anti-clockwise direction. Now let us see push buttons. The first push button is used to beep the buzzer present inside CP-Full 2.1. When you press this button, buzzer starts beeping, and on releasing it, it stops. Second push button is used to control speed of motors. When this push button is pressed, speed of motors will be slower, else motors will rotate at its normal speed.